welcome again to Kimberly and Knit for Brains. Thanks again so much for joining me and just having fun with me and obviously telling your friends. We have over 400 subscribers and we're working right our way up to 500 subscribers, and after that, baby, we're getting into the thousands. We're really excited about that. So I'm having so much fun. I hope you are too. Please, again, share my channel. Even if maybe they're not into like crochet or knitting, maybe you're into travel, or maybe you know someone that's into travel. My husband and I, we have a cruise playlist where we're cruising and also some travel. And we're going to be doing some really big travel coming up in the next month. And we're literally going to be on the road for about 7 weeks. So we're going to be showing you all different parts of Italy, different parts of France. But before that, we're actually going on a 10-day Alaskan cruise. So seriously, subscribe or tell your friends about it. And we're going to be talking about, travel post-COVID or kind of during COVID and what that looks like. We're going to be cruising and flying, and we'll talk about COVID precautions and then just showing you some amazing, beautiful parts of our world. So, through my preparing for travel and looking at different sites and things like that, and we're going to be spending some time in Canada, I literally happened upon this, and I always love, let me just say, I always love to find yarn stores in different places where I travel. I think I mentioned in one of my other videos that that's sort of like my go-to, my souvenir, is to find yarn that is specific to a certain area. So through all of that, I stumbled on this website, and it is called Artisanthropy. Let's say that. Artisanthropy. They're based out of Ontario. Beautiful yarns. Now, this isn't going to be your Lions brand mainstream or your Mary Maxim, your mainstream acrylics and mass market. These are going to be more of your boutique-y yarns. So treat for yourself, or if you really, have someone you absolutely love and you want to splurge and make them a beautiful scarf or a shawl or something like that, these yarns, I presume, are going to be more expensive. What I liked about this website is I was tooling around. So they do have a location somewhere in Ontario, a little yarn boutique, but they've come up with this really, what I think is an ingenious idea. And it's called Surprise Me. It's on their website and you can go and click into it. And what's nice is they have these mystery boxes. Ooh, don't cut yourself. They have these mystery boxes, but what I like is that they are at different prices. So let's say that you wanted to buy a birthday gift or a present for a friend, right? And you didn't really know what you wanted to, spend, but you didn't want to spend all that much on them. I think they had them boxes maybe starting at like 10 and they went up to $100 or something like that. I chose a $50 range. So I paid $50. And here's the thing that's really cool. This is when you're working with a small business owner, and I love patroning small business owners whenever I can. They say to fill out the profile and tell them, whether you like to crochet or you like to knit, or what your fiber preference is. Do you like natural fibers? Do you like cottons or silks? What colors do you like? Like, there's all these different questions so that they can get to know you, and then they send you something that you're hopefully guaranteed to like. Well, I somehow forgot to fill out this profile. I just ordered it, paid for it, and whatever. And I'm presuming it was the owner, was sweet enough to reach out and say, hey, tell me what your preferences are. And to me, I was like, wow, okay, she really, truly cares about what I like and what I like to do, and the kind of yarns that I like and things like that. And so so I was really excited to see what this place picked out for me. And I love the fact that it's just in a little Lifesavers box. This is like small business, and this is what I love. Okay, so first thing, I love that it's in a little gift bag, okay? Oh, and I'm loving the color, but let's just focus that it's got this, they put in this really nice little gift bag. So it's like a present to yourself, or if you were going to give it to someone as a gift, look, it even has tissue paper in it, people. This is amazing. Okay, I'm so impressed already. Really nice. Like, you could literally, it's a little crinkled, but that's okay. You could literally just say, ship this to somebody, and then they're going to get this really nice gift in this bag. And there is, a thank you card. Okay, so here's my receipt. Yep, and I paid $50 for the mystery yarn grab bag. I ordered this April 28th, and I received it on May 16th or 17th. So it did take a little bit of a while, but it's coming from Ontario, Canada. So I didn't really care. But it looks like they do have a storefront. Artisanthropy. Okay, now here's a thank you card. I'm going to read it just because I'm going to like make you guys wait to see what's inside this beautiful bag. Dear Kimberly, thank you so much for choosing to order from us. I hope you enjoy this gorgeous, oh, she gave it away, merino wool and silk blend yarn that was hand-dyed locally in Ontario, Canada, and the accompanying pattern as much as I enjoyed picking them out for you. All the best, Christina, owner at Artisanthropy Fiber Arts. Handwritten note. Now, do you think I'm going to be shopping with these people again? Oh, yes. How lovely. First of all, who does handwritten notes anymore, right? I actually have a girlfriend, one of my very dearest friends, who just moved to Colorado, and we're committed to actually writing letters to each other, not just texting. We text and we call, but we're also writing handwritten letters because there's nothing better than getting a handwritten note where you know someone took the time to sit down and think about it and write their feelings to you. And I love that she did this. So this is my thank you card, and this is what I got, and it is gorgeous. This is, so it looks like I got two skeins. This is Artisanthropy yarns. This is Cognasheen, 70% superwash merino, 30% silk. It's a fingerling weight, so you know, a sock yarn. It's a weight of 1, 378 yards. That's quite a bit. The colors are spectacular, and if you know me, and if you watched any of my videos, you know that these are my colors. As a matter of fact, this could be beautiful. I might have put it down. I had that summer punch or tropical punch, the Lion brand glitter. I don't know if I would want to do that with this, but this is absolutely beautiful and so, so soft. Merino wool and silk. It's just amazing. So I got one, and it looks like, yes, I got 2 skeins of the same. So I could make myself a beautiful top. I mean, doesn't that just speak sunset to you? I love this. Just gorgeous. So 2 skeins of this. And let's see. So there's some tissue, which is lovely. Like I said, just really nice. It's the thought that counts, right? Oh, and there's some other little goodies in here. Okay. So there's these really pretty, I think they're coconut shell buttons. Let's see. Doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure that they're packaged in Canada. I'm pretty sure that these are coconut shell buttons. And let's see. Oh, and we got a cute little nanny charm. So like a cute little knitting charm as well. Also in my colors. So that's really beautiful. And honestly, this yarn is probably at least, I would say, $24.99. I've bought yarn like this before, and I'd say it's at least $25 upwards, $25 to $30 per skein. Now here, oh, very nice. Okay, so she also included a pattern. This is Kelly's Ponchito, a crochet works designed by Julie Baglavish. So it appears that I have gotten enough yarn to crochet this pattern, which is lovely. And it's actually really pretty. I don't know if you can see it. It's got kind of a honeycomb pattern down here below. And then it's really just a nice crochet up here. Very lacy and very pretty. Really, really pretty. So it calls for Debbie Bliss Fine Dongo Merino and Cashmere. 415 yards or 750 yards of fingerling weight. So she gave me, this is super fine. And I got, okay, so I'm sorry, 378. Did I say something different? 378 yards, yes. So this is going to give me enough to make this, exactly. And then it tells you crochet hooks and different things like that. And I suppose if I wanted to do like the little buttons, looks like it might kind of clasp on the side. I might be able to do that as well. So I love this. Am I going to be shopping from here? Yes. Am I going to be buying gifts for my friends there? Absolutely. I'll include the link. They might even have some sales going, so definitely check them out. Again, this is Artisanthropy Fiber Arts. I do believe they have a store, but they're out of Canada. You don't have to go to Canada. You can just shop right here. I don't know if they have free shipping with a specific purchase. I think I did pay shipping on this, but that is okay. I'm going to include their link below in this website, and I'm actually going to reach out to her as well and tell her just personally thank you so much, because I actually do have her email address. So Artisanthropy Yarns, this is their mystery grab bag. But again, you can choose any amount that you want, that you can afford. So I think it started at like $10 or $20, went all the way up into at least $100, maybe even a little bit more. I am very, very happy with this purchase. This is something I definitely would have purchased for myself had I seen it in the store. So I'm going to repackage it with the yarn and the tissue, like so, and my adorable little stitch marker, and my beautiful coconut, oh, don't do that, snag it, coconut shell buttons, and I'm going to repack it for myself with my lovely handwritten thank you card, like so. Thank you. How did you know? I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, as always. And I might actually turn this into my next work in progress, because I'm just coming up with all kinds of items that I can take with me on my trip to wear, and then also even to do. This might be something that I will do on my cruise ship that I can wear when I go to Italy and France. That'd be amazing. Artisanthropy, I'll include their link below. Thanks again so much for watching. This is Kimberly and Knit for Brains, and I will see you very soon. Take care.